In interpolation chapter, we have learned how to calculate missing value with the help of binomial expansion method. We have learned if one value is missing, how we can calculate with this method. In today's video, we will learn if two value is missing, how we can calculate both missing value with the help of binomial expansion method. This is also this is the method of interpolation. So we will calculate the value between the given series is over there. So we have taken a example. So year is given, that is 1990, 1995, 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015 and 2020. The production value is given, that is 200, 220, 260, one is missing, 350, then other is missing and 430 is given. So we are having two missing value. In 2005 what the value is we don't know, and in 2015 what the value is we don't know. So in case of two missing frequency, how we can calculate two missing value with the help of binomial expansion method, we will learn in this video. So first one we are writing that is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Here y0, y1, y2 value is given, y3 and y5 value is not given. Total missing value is 1, 2, total given value is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will use 1 minus y raised to power 5. So the expansion of this is y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. So this is the given value is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have used 1 minus y raised to power 5. The binomial expansion of this 1 minus y raised to power 5, that is y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. So we will put the value. Y5 is not given. So value of y5 is not given. y4 value is given, that is 350 plus 10 y3 value is not given. y2 value is given, that is 260. y1 value is given, that is 5 multiplied by 220, and y0 value, that is 200 is equal to 0. So this is the first equation for that binomial expansion. So we are having y5 minus 5 multiplied by 350, 5 multiplied by 350, that is minus value, that is 1750. 10 by 3 minus 2600, 260 multiplied by 10, 2600, that is also minus value, plus 5 multiplied 220, 5 multiplied 220, so plus value is 1100, minus 200 is minus value. So we will having, so y5 plus 10y3 minus 3050 will be 0. What I have done, 1750 is minus value, 2600 is minus value, 1100 is plus value and 200 is minus value. So 3450. Okay. So first equation is y5 plus 10y3, that is 3450. We have created first equation. With the help of this, we have created the first equation, that is on your skin. So the first equation is y5 plus 10y3 minus 3450 is equal to 1. Now we are putting y6 minus 5y5. What we are doing? We are writing y6, putting the value y6 5y5, tan y4 tan y3 plus 5y2 minus y1 is equal to 0. 2 missing is over there. So the same equation we will having, only we will increase the value y6 at the place of y5, y5 at the place of y4, y4 at the place of y3, y3 at the place of y2 and y2 at the place of y0. And it means we are increasing y5 to change y6, y4 to y5, y3 to y4, y2 to y3, y1 to y2 or y0 to 1. 1 5 10 10 5 1 1 5 10 10 5 1 plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus, it's as it is, there is no change. So now putting the value 430 minus 5y5 plus 10 multiplied by 350 minus 10y3 plus 5 multiplied by 260 minus 220 is equal to 0. So we will make another one equation with the help of this. So we are having 430 is the plus value, 3500 is minus value. So that is 430 minus 5y5 plus 3500 minus 10y3 plus 5 multiplied by 260 is plus value 1300 minus 220 is equal to 0. 220 is minus value. So 1990 is the value. So the value of second equation, that is 1990. So minus 5y5 minus 10y3 and minus plus 1990 is equal to 0. Againly we are having 430 is plus value, 3500 is plus value, 1300 is plus value, 220 is minus value. So 5010, some mistake may be over the 5010. Okay. So minus 5y5 minus 10y3 is equal to minus 5010. It's equation number second. We are having two equations. The first equation is y5 plus 10y3 is equal to 3450, and second equation, that is 5y5 plus 10y3, that is, we can write this 5y5 plus 10y3 minus common 5010, its second equation. So we are having two equations. First equation is y5 plus 10y3 minus 3450, and second equation is y5 plus 10y3 plus 5010. So what we have done, firstly we check 1 2 3 4 5 item is available. So we have used this 1 minus y raised to power 5 and putting the value, and we put the value that y5, the value of y4, the value of y2, y1 and y0, putting we got the first equation, that is y5 plus 10y3, that is 3450. Next we have increased one digit to this, y5 change to y6, y4 change to y5, y3 change to y4, y2 change to y3 and y1 change to y2 and y0 change to y1, and putting the againly the value, y6 value is 430, y4 value is 350, y2 value is 260, and putting second equation. So we are having now, we are having two equation now. The first equation which we have, that is y5 plus 10y3, that is 3450, and second equation 5y5 plus 10y3, that is 5010. So we are having two equations. First equation y5 plus 10y3 is equal to 3450, second equation 5y5 plus 10y3 is equal to 5010. Now we are having the comparison of both. we will having the comparison of first and second equation to get the value of y5 and y3. So having changed the sign, minus minus minus, so minus 4y5, that is 1560 minus 1560, so minus to minus cancel, so y5 is equal to 1560 divided by 4. So this value is 390. So first value we have calculated, that is 390. Now putting the value of y5 in either first equation or second equation. So first equation is y5 plus 10 y3 is equal to 3450. So we are writing 390 plus 10 y3, that is 3450. So 10 y3 value is 3450 minus 390. So 10 y3 value is 3450 minus 390. So 3060. So the value of y3 is equal to 3060 divided by 10. So the y3 value will be 306. We have calculated both missing frequency. This missing frequency, the value is 390. First one, the value 390. And this value is 306. If you will see, this is ascending order. 200, 220, 260, 306, 350, 390, 430. So in this manner, if two value is missing, with the help of binomial expansion method, we can calculate both missing frequency without any hesitation. For having the command on this type of the question, we are having another one question related to the same two missing is over there. So we will learn how to calculate if two missing is frequency is over there. We are having, suppose we are having the data of the population is given. I am having another one question. The population data is given for 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001. Population data is given, that is 75404, 75401, 82984. Third value is given 86686, 86686, 44 44947, 93091, 127, 327, and we are to predict about 2011. Here the data of the population is given. In this case, we are to having the extrapolation. Population of city is given. In 1951, that was 75,401, then 82,984, then 86,686, then 44,747, then 93,091, 12th 127,327, and this missing. As we seen, in 1951 to 61 the population is increasing, 61 to 71 the population is increasing, but in 71 to 1981 there is a huge difference and decrease in the population. Again it is increasing. So it means this data is wrong. This data is wrong because the population is increasing 75,000 to 82,000, 86,000, 93,000, 1,27,000 is over there. So this is increasing population, so this data is wrong. So we are having the data y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. 2 is missing. This is also wrong data. So we will treat it as a missing data. So given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years is given. So we will write the formula of 5 year, 1 minus y raised to power 5. So that is y5 minus 5 y4 plus 10 y3 minus 10 y2 plus 5 y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. y5 minus 5 y4 plus 10 y3 minus 10 y2 plus 5 y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. Writing the data 127327 minus 5 multiplied by 93091. y3 is not given because this is wrong data. Minus 10 86686 plus 5 multiply by 82 984 minus 75401 is equal to 0. This is first equation. So we will solve this equation. So first one is 127327 is positive value. So 127327 minus 5 multiplied by 93091. So negative value 4,65,000. 4,65,455. 10 by 3. 10 multiply 86686 minus value. So 866860 plus 5 multiply 82984 plus value 414920 414920 minus 75401 is equal to 0. Minus value. So the very first we will calculate directly the value of first, that is 865469. Okay. So now calculating this 10 by 3 minus 865469. 865,469 is equal to 0. What we have done? Listen againly. Firstly, we have used 1 minus y raised to power 5, that is y5 minus 5 y4 plus 10 y3 minus 10 y2 plus 5 1 minus y0 is equal to 0. Then we put the value of y5, put the value of y4, y3 value is wrong, so we are not putting the value of y2. Then we put the value of y1 and y0. So this is 127327 minus 465. It's solving this, we are having 10 y3 minus 865469 is equal to 0. So 10 y3 is equal to 865469. So the y3 value is 865469 divided by 10. So that will be 86546.9 or 86547. So this value is we have calculated. This was wrong, so we have calculated the right value, that is 86547. That may be in nearby. 86547 may be nearby. This is also decreasing, but it is nearby, maybe having some epidemic like plague, like war situation. Some of the population may be decreased, but huge population decreased data is wrong. So we have put the right data here, that is 86547. So very first we cancel this data and collected this data and having the interpolate of this data, that is 86547. Now for calculating another one, the very first we change the digit of this. The digit will be changed, that is y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 plus 5y2 minus y1 is equal to 0. We have changed y5 to y6, y4 to y5, y3 to y4, y2 to y3, y1 to y2 and y0 to y1. Now put the value. Y6 don't know. Minus 5 multiply 127, 327 plus 10. Y4 value is given, that is 93091 minus 10, 86547 plus 5, 686 minus 82984 is equal to 0. So we have put the value of y5, y4, y3, y2 and y1 in this equation. So by calculating y6 minus 127,327 multiply by 5, that is minus value 636635. 636635. First value is 636635. Then 930,910. 930,910 is plus value. Then 86547 is minus value. 86547 is minus value. Then 5 multiply by 86686 is plus value. 433430. 4, that is 433430. And last value is 82984. 82984 is minus value. So total value y6 minus 220749 is equal to 0. So the value of y6 is 2,20,749. So the population for the last year, that's 220,749. So with the help of this, if two missing frequencies over there, two value is missing is over there, with the help of this video you may be learn how to calculate if two value is missing. So I think this video will be helpful for you to know if in binomial distribution two missing frequencies over there, how to calculate these missing values or frequency. So I think this video will be helpful for you to calculate two missing value in binomial distribution. Thank you once again.